Hello there, my name is Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. Some few days ago I just broke a 210 days straight morning push-up streak and it's fully documented on my Instagram, you can just check it out. And hey, I also want to be the best at helping people build consistency, that's why I record videos every single day and I also rehearse on my live stream consistently. Well, I want to say thank you for actually caring about your life because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, wow, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 24th, 2025, and this is going to be day 351. No, I think it's 350. Yeah, 351 too. Of consistently helping people build consistency. So basically, there are two really important things when we are trying to be consistent at doing something that we need to always remember and also apply. Actually, this can apply to literally lots of things: exercising, meditating, studying. But for today's example, I'm going to be using learning a new language as an example on the implementation of these two really important things. So the first really important thing is to basically create on a plan. But here's the thing, we wanted to create a good plan in order to be able to stick to the plan on the long run. That's why, okay, the second part we need to discuss this plan. Okay, before we create the plan and during we create the plan, we need to discuss the plan with other version of ourselves. Let me explain this concept later. But we are going to be talking about the first principle first, the first important thing first, okay? We need to be creating a plan because notice most people they wanted to be consistent at doing something but they have no plan whatsoever. Okay, when we have a plan we already ahead of lots of basically our competition. Yeah, because notice most people they only say, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising consistently, oh yeah, I'm gonna be studying consistently. I mean, what type of exercising are you going to be consistently doing? How many minutes you are going to be consistently spending your time on a day-to-day basis doing your studying? And most importantly, how can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't really have any clear plan of what's the thing that you are going to be consistently doing? Okay? So how do we make a clear plan? Actually, pretty simple. Make a clear plan by making something specific and measurable. So instead of saying, oh yeah, I'm gonna be studying every single day. Instead, we say, oh yeah, I'm gonna be reading a book, which is something that's specific. And also, at least I'm gonna be reading 5 minutes. Okay, reading a book for 5 minutes every single day, which is something that's measurable. You can precisely know how much is enough. Okay, you set on a goal of reading 5 minutes every single day. You actually do the 5 minutes of reading, you can actually say, well, I've done the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing. This is something that you cannot achieve if you only say, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying consistently. Okay. Like you don't really have any clear idea of how much you should do on a day-to-day basis if you only say you're going to study consistently. So yeah, basically we need to be having a really clear plan by making it something that's specific and also measurable. But not only that, we need to be making it specific and also measurable, we need to be also making the plan realistic because hey, we wanted to stick to the plan on the long run. And how can we even be consistent at doing something if it's not something that's realistic to do? And so the question now is how to create a realistic plan. Okay, so we create on a realistic plan by discussing the plan with other version of ourselves. So here's the thing, what you perceive as something that's realistic today might not necessarily be perceived as realistic by your tomorrow version of yourself, because hey, we got different business, we got different schedule, different energy level on a day-to-day basis. Okay, we need to admit that when we are creating on a plan, we are most likely to be feeling really motivated to change our life, okay, to create some big change. And when we are trying to big change like this, sometimes the plan is just, seems so, I don't know, ambitious. 1 hour of studying a new language every single day, 2 hour of exercising every single day. Well, I'm not saying that it's unrealistic, But hey, when we just try to integrate something that's really big, okay, and it's really new to our life, we need to question its sustainability on the long run. So how do you actually discuss this plan to be realistic with other version of yourself? So actually it's really simple. Remember that day, okay, when you're feeling really exhausted, okay, maybe after a really exhausting day of school with so much excitements and stuff, or maybe like on the days when you are feeling sick, or on the days when you are feeling really unmotivated. Ask ourselves, if we give this task, if we give this kind of routine to the version of yourself, to the version of ourselves that's really exhausted, okay, after a busy day of school, okay, will he or she be able to still do it? Will he or she still be able to study for 1 hour to study a new language? Will he or she still be able to exercise for 2 hours? Is it realistic? Is it realistic to do the task on the days when he or she is really, really exhausted after a busy day? Or ask ourselves, is it still realistic for us to study for 1 hour, study a new language for 1 hour on the days when we are sick? So basically discussing this plan with our other version of ourselves, basically just asking ourselves question, positioning ourselves, asking ourselves the questions. Is it still going to be something that's being able to do? Is it still realistic if we do it when we are feeling really exhausted? Okay, we will see things objectively when we include other versions of ourselves in this planning. Okay, so you can also create a plan where you give yourself a monthly quota to take some days off, maybe like 5 days off every single month per month, and you only use it when you super really need it. For example, when you are feeling really exhausted. So yeah, basically that's it. Create on a plan, a good plan, specific, measurable, also make it realistic. Okay? It's okay to be ambitious, but you still need to be able to make some really realistic plan by including your other version of yourself on the discussion. Okay, asking yourself, is this sustainable? Because when we are talking about consistency, ultimately we are talking about, can we do this thing on the long run? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Join our Discord. And for today's date of Authenticity post, today is June 24, 2025, and today's memes are posted a real water drinker post last 24 hours, GMT +7. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.